Number 6, vowel vibrancy. Of all the 9 vowel vibrancies, the 6th would probably have to be awarded the honor of expressing the most humanitarian instincts. You live for the pleasure of doing for others and will do everything in your power to bring happiness to as many people as you can reach. You can sympathize with the lowest of human beings and tolerate the worst situations because you believe there is good in everyone. You believe that the meanness some people project is only because they themselves are so miserable they cannot help themselves. Love is the keynote of your life, and you can love many people, expressing the best in you, and in turn, bringing out their best. However, this tendency to help everyone and understand even that which is sometimes beyond understanding often puts you in a very depressed mood. You should try not to get in too deeply so you can extricate yourself when you find this depression coming on, or people will take unfair advantage of you. You often feel the problems of the world and are waiting for you alone to solve, and if it were at all in your power to do so, you would certainly try. Beauty and harmonious environs are as necessary to you as the air you breathe. You have artistic leanings and would like to make a name for yourself in some artistic field. Wherever you live, it is bound to be beautiful, peaceful, and charming as an extension of your need to live as such, but it entrances all those who are privileged to share it with you, making your home a joyous place to be for one and all. Problems and worries disappear in this setting. The unjust and tawdry have no place in your life. Not only can you not make a place for them, even in the smallest way, but you refuse to accept that anything can be of this nature. If you cannot make all things lovely, you have to reject them completely, rather than let their shabbiness dim the luster of your philosophy. The very young and the very old will generally be the delighted recipients of your warm affection, as you express your love most easily with them. The sympathy you feel for old or infirm unfortunates manifests itself in unselfish devotion. You cannot bear to see them rejected or ignored, and give unstingingly of yourself to make them happy and comfortable. Children adore you because you are innocent and sincere when dealing with them. No tricks for you, just love and concern. You have compassion for them and all their little problems. Popularity and admiration are yours without effort, because you are always infectiously enthusiastic, active, and bright. The seeing you grace is charged with warmth and gaiety, wherever it may be.